Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a beautiful flower that is found throughout North America. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as Common Milkweed, Common Milkweed, Common Milkweed, Common Milkweed. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Common Milkweed, Common Milkweed, Common Milkweed, Common Milkweed. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.